Okay, folks, today we have a Razz for a brand new Hurricane 360 spin mop from Miss Eva Blackwell. We have 10 spots at $6 each. We have me for one, Misty for one, Datoya for one, Bonnie for one, Chuck for one, Pamela for one, Chuck for another, Renea for one, Sandy for one, and Renea for the last one. Grab this list real quick. Copy it. We're going to go down to the bottom of the post here. And we're going to go live. Time is now 7:35 p.m. We'll go over here and roll the dice. We got to have 4 or higher to continue. Excuse me. We have 9. Paste the list. Straighten it up just a little bit. List looks good so far. We're going to go ahead and randomize the list. We have 9 on our dice. Okay. We're going to go for the first time. Okay, after the first time, we have Datoya on top. We have Misty on bottom. We have 10 items on our list. Okay, your time is now 7:36 p.m. We're going to carry on with the list. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, excuse me, 8. After 8 times, we have Renea on top and Sandy on bottom. We're looking for a 9 per the original dice roll. Time is now 7:37. We've gone 8 times. We have 10 items on our list. So we're going to randomize the list for the last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Renea. After 9 times, I'm sorry. After 9 times, we have Renea on top and me on bottom. We have 10 items on our list. Congratulations, Renea. If you want to make contact with Miss Eva to take possession of your item, we're going to go ahead and type done in the comments. Final timestamp is now showing 7:38 p.m. And again, congratulations, Renea, and thanks to everyone else for playing.